I recently did a video where I shared why I am friendless out of choice. I have no friends out of choice. And let me explain that a little bit more, because I focus on the conversations part. Like most people say that friends, like real friends, not people that you hang out with and you go for drinks or clubbing, partying, etc., but real friends requires to have deep conversations. And I don't believe in deep conversations. That's why I don't want to have friends. I want the partying. I want to have fun with people. I don't want to have these deep conversations. Actually, I don't believe in deep conversations because I believe it's just a way for people to think they're wise, they're significant. Oh, look at me. I've taken so many courses. I've read books. I'm wise. I have done the inner work. I'm healed. I can have deep conversations with someone. It doesn't make sense. Nothing matters. Who cares? Deep conversation about what? What do you know better? Everyone has their own beliefs, whether that's religion, politics, whatever that might be. They want change. You know that. Some people will have the same opinions with you. Some other people won't have the same opinions with you. And what are you trying to do? Listen to these opinions? You know they exist. So what? What's the deep thing there? Trying to convince them that your opinions are right? Who cares?